Infantry fighting vehicles, IFVs, are crucial for transporting troops safely and engaging hostile enemy forces. One of the most impressive recent IFVs is the Borsuk, renowned for its world-leading amphibious and protective qualities. This vehicle plays a significant role in Poland's army modernization, which is timely considering current world events. Let's explore why the Borsuk is set to play such an important part in modern warfare. Even before Russia's invasion of neighboring Ukraine, Poland's army was modernizing its armored core to streamline functionality, increase capability, and adopt a more Western approach to modern warfare. This initiative resulted in several projects, including the Borsuk infantry fighting vehicle. This all-modern tracked design is intended as a direct replacement for the aging series of BWP-1 tracked IFVs, relics from the Cold War era. Most of these were obtained from the Soviet Union, while some were locally produced under license. These vehicles, manufactured between 1966 and 1988, still form the backbone of the Polish Army's mechanized battalions. As part of the modernization plan, the Polish Army is gradually upgrading its inventory. Until now, there had been no modern replacement for the BWP-1. The Borsuk was born out of a proposed upgrade program to improve the capabilities of these aging IFVs. There have been several attempts at making the BWP-1 viable, but none have succeeded. Over the years, Poland introduced several modernized variations of that vehicle, including the BWP-40, BWP-95, and BWP-1M Puma. A proposed BWP-2000 IFV was canceled in the late 1990s, and a BWP-1M Puma upgrade program was also scrapped in 2009. In 2010, another IFV called Anders was unveiled with a new design, but it wasn't selected for production. In 2013, the decision was made to retire most BWP-1S between 2018 and 2021. The Borsuk was another attempt to create a modern Polish IFV. Initially, a consortium was formed by Obram and Polish Defense Holding, but in 2013, development was transferred to another consortium led by Polish manufacturer Huta Stalowa Wola. The majority of development work for the new vehicle has been carried out internally in Poland. In 2023, it was announced that Poland would acquire 1,000 Borsuk IFVs, plus another 400 configured as specialized variants. These new armored vehicles are set to completely replace the fleet of Polish BWP-1S. A full-scale model of the Borsuk was presented at the MSPO International Defense Exhibition held in Kielce, Poland, in September 2018. A prototype equipped with the ZSSW-30 remote weapon turret was displayed at the MSPO exhibition in September 2019. Initial tests, including swimming and firing trials of the vehicle, were scheduled for completion by the end of 2021, with further qualifying tests planned for 2022. This was all leading up to full-scale production in 2024. The Borsuk features a composite rubber track system supplied by Susi Defense. Each track integrates a continuously cased rubber band structure, which includes composite materials and steel cord. This CRT system reduces vibrations and weight compared to conventional steel tracks. The hull of the Borsuk is highly versatile and can be configured into multiple versions, such as an infantry fighting vehicle, command post vehicle, and medical evacuation vehicle. The vehicle is designed to tackle all types of water obstacles with ease and operate in difficult terrains with harsh weather conditions. The Borsuk weighs 30 tons and has a running length of 7.3 meters, with a beam of 3.3 meters and a height of almost 3.3 meters to the turret top. Internally, it houses an operating crew of 3 with seating for 6 passengers under light to medium protection. The turret operates the 30mm Mech 44S Bushmaster 2 series automatic cannon and carries 2 Israeli Spike LR anti-tank guided missiles for dealing with armored threats at range. These are housed in a compartment off the right side of the turret. The vehicle also has a 7.62 mm UKM 2000C anti-infantry machine gun in a coaxial mounting and 8 81mm smoke grenade dispensers for self-screening found in 2 banks of 6 dischargers, each mounted to the turret cheeks. Headlamps are fixed at the front corners of the hull, and the glacis plate is nearly horizontal to provide basic ballistic protection from small arms fire and artillery spray. It's reported that the Borsuk's armor can withstand regular machine guns, with some sources claiming it can stop Russian 30mm rounds to the frontal area. The turret is equipped with independent biaxially stabilized observation devices and a standby observation device with a wide-angle periscope. It also integrates an SSP-1 OBRA 3 laser warning receiver and a Phonet internal communication system. The turret can fire in automatic and emergency modes and supports futuristic programmable ammunition. It also has two working modes, Hunter-Killer and Killer-Killer. In Hunter-Killer mode, the commander scans the area around the IFV for targets and can direct the gunner to them. When a target is found, the turret automatically aligns itself towards it. Killer-Killer mode is preferred when the commander doesn't have much time to relay target information to the gunner. For mobility, the Borsuk has an MTU 8V199 TE20 diesel engine developing 820 horsepower, locally developed within Poland. The suspension consists of 6 road wheels on either side, with a drive sprocket at the front and an idler at the rear. This allows it to reach a maximum road speed of 70 km per hour, with a maximum cruising range of 600 kilometers. The IFV uses a locally designed chassis, though it may have been based on the South Korean K9 self-propelled howitzer chassis, as there are several common elements between the two. The initial variant of the Borsuk was fully amphibious. There were also plans for a more heavily armored variant without amphibious capability, thought to be as heavy as the T-72 main battle tank, the same class of armored vehicles as the German Puma Heavy IFV. As we've explored, the baseline vehicle is fully amphibious. On water, it's propelled by 2 water jets, allowing it to cross lakes and rivers. However, discussions about whether Polish mechanized vehicles need amphibious capabilities have been ongoing for some time. This question was raised during the BWP-1 Puma IFV upgrade program and during the procurement of Rosamach wheeled armored vehicles. Amphibious capability reduces overall vehicle protection, complicates design, and increases servicing costs. It was estimated that a single Borsuk IFV could cost around $6.6 million, with the Polish ZSSW-30 remotely controlled turret constituting almost 50% of the vehicle's value. The 2023 contract details reveal a unit price closer to $11 million for the Borsuk, as the $10 billion contract included the delivery of 1,000 IFVs. However, it's unclear whether this figure also includes spare parts, training, and maintenance costs. In addition to these features, the Borsuk will be equipped with Phonet digital communication devices and BMS battlefield management systems. Sensors warn against laser radiation, and the vehicle includes a licensed American satellite navigation receiver, Tallinn 5000. This equipment is complemented by the PCBR OBRA 3 contamination detection devices. After initial delays, the Borsuk is progressing towards the successful completion of its trials. The tests, originally planned to conclude in 2023, were extended by a few months. However, the outlook for this project is now hopeful. The IFV encountered minor problems at the beginning of its development, including overheating of the final drives, possibly related to increased load on these components. This was similar to challenges faced by the Puma IFV during its test phases. Despite these obstacles, the Borsuk's qualities, notably its good ballistic protection and modular structure, remain undeniable assets. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI, robotics, and military technology.